Tiger families, I am coming to you live from the LECC bus lot. This is where our students will arrive at school if they ride the bus. If students ride the bus will come into the parking lot, will line up in these slots along the sidewalk, where a staff member, one of our teachers, or one of our assistants will come out and greet them and meet them at the bus and have them dismiss. Students will walk off of the bus and then follow the white lines into the building. There will be grown-ups out here to guide them, and then once they get into the building, there are staff members lined in the hallways to help them get where they need to be. The students do an awesome job of learning their routines and learning where they need to go really quickly. Teachers walk their classes out in single file lines, and they walk the class to each bus, loading children on their buses. So every day, each classroom walks out with their teacher, and the teachers help children make sure they get on the right bus to go home. We have a good system in place. Our students do an awesome job, and really it's one of the things we hear a lot of feedback on that our students love. They're always so excited to ride the bus. We cannot believe how much feedback we hear from parents that, oh, little Susie just loves the bus. Oh, little Johnny was so excited to ride the bus. So that's a little bit about bus riders coming to school and going home from school. For our students that will be car riders, we have, you can see here, a student drop-off zone. So we do something called a rolling arrival, a rolling drop-off, and a rolling dismissal. So what that means is you will pull into the parking lot, you will drive through the parking lot, you'll come up to the front of the building, you'll get up to the sign up here. I'm walking backwards, so I'll try not to fall. You'll stop your car, and then a staff member will greet you and your child at the door and let your child out and help them get into the building. Of the day, it's the exact same process in reverse. You pull up, come to the front of the line, you will stop your car. A staff member will help the children get to the correct car. You will notice your car or car riders will have a mirror tag with numbers on it that just helps us make sure we match our students up in the correct way. And then we will dismiss 6, 7, 8 cars at one time. We will roll up our next 6, 7, or 8 cars, and then we will bring out our next group of students. It doesn't take long. We have a rolling drop-off and a rolling dismissal, and our students do an awesome job, and our staff does an awesome job of greeting our students and getting them where they need to be and helping them start their day. If you have any questions at all about our car rider drop-off and pickup procedures, give us a call in the office and we'll be more than happy to talk to you about it. Again, we are excited to have you here, and we are excited to help our students have a great start and a great finish to their day with however they go home, whether it's a bus or whether it's a car rider.